Instead of opening each email one by one to unsubscribe, Gmail now offers a much easier way. Here's how to mass unsubscribe from unwanted emails in just a few clicks. Start by opening Gmail on your computer or mobile browser and sign into your account. On the left sidebar, click More if needed. Now look for Manage Subscriptions and click it. Gmail will automatically display a list of companies and newsletters that regularly send you promotional emails. You'll see each sender along with the number of emails they've sent recently. This makes it easy to identify the biggest sources of inbox clutter. Next to any sender you no longer want emails from, click Unsubscribe. Confirm your choice if prompted. Repeat this for any other unwanted subscriptions. No need to open individual emails anymore. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox will become much cleaner without all those unwanted promotional emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to How to Tech Hub, and I'll see you in the next tech tip.